Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving deep into one of the most important concepts in big data, the 5 V's of big data analytics. If you're preparing for MBA, data analytics, AI, or business intelligence learning, this video will make it super easy to understand. So, let's get started. The 5 V's of big data, volume, velocity, variety, veracity, and value are key characteristics that describe the challenges and qualities of handling big data in modern analytics systems. They help us understand how data grows, how fast it moves, in how many formats it exists, how reliable it is, and how valuable it can be when analyzed. First is volume. It represents the huge size of data being generated every minute. For example, YouTube users upload more than 500 hours of video every minute. Amazon collects purchase history, browsing data, and payment info from millions of customers and uses this massive volume to recommend products. In simple words, volume can be understood as more data means more insights. Second is velocity. It can be understood as how fast data is created, streamed, and processed. For example, real-time GPS tracking on Google Maps. Stock prices change every second. High-velocity data helps traders make quick investment decisions using live feeds. Fast data can help business to take fast decisions. Third is variety. Data comes in many formats, not just tables and numbers. For instance, structured data viewed as tables, Excel sheets, semi-structured viewed as JSON, XML, weblogs, unstructured viewed as images, videos, emails, social media posts. For example, posting videos, audio, text, emojis on Instagram, it's all different types of data. Netflix analyzes movies, watch time, ratings, thumbnails you click, even subtitles, all different formats. Variety of data bring complete understanding of business scenario. Fourth is veracity. It ensuring the data is accurate, reliable, and free from noise or errors. For example, fake news or spam messages on social media make data unreliable. Banks validate transactions to remove false alerts and detect real fraud using trustworthy data. Clean data increase the probability of taking correct business decision. And fifth V is value. Data is only useful when it creates value for the business in terms of revenue, cost savings, better decisions. For example, Google shows personalized ads and earns revenue from it. Data from patient reports helps doctors detect diseases early and saves life plus reduces cost. If data bring more value, then it supports the growth of the business. The 5 V's of big data, volume, velocity, variety, veracity, and value explain how organizations like Amazon, stock markets, Netflix, banks, and healthcare systems manage massive, fast, diverse, reliable data to drive smarter decisions and better outcomes. Big data analytics is shaping the future. Understanding the 5 V's volume, velocity, variety, veracity, and value helps us see how companies convert data into power. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and hit the bell.